What up, guys? Welcome to another video. And these are all these last videos, the latest ones are all little short ones. But today I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys. I'm working on my boy's TBSS, clean as shit. I don't know if actually I never posted a video of it before. I actually had done some body work on this. I had a pretty big dent on the quarter panel, and now it's wrapped. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. Well, this is what I made actually, and we're gonna show you guys Danny's Cobra. So let me show you this TBSS real quick. Yes, sir. Boy, Brian wet with it. This ain't clean. Don't worry, it looks like actually popped. Pull this in. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do. Alright, so what we're gonna do on this is pop the hood. This shit heavy. I guess the intake arm fell off. My bad. And it bent the fan blade. So he got a whole new assembly with the shroud and everything. So we're gonna replace that. We're gonna pull that off, and shouldn't be too hard. You got them long tubes welded up on here. Look clean, looking clean. Sheesh, this motherfucker clean. Alright, we're getting to it. Got the intake off, the cover, and got the shroud unbolted. I'm about to break that nut loose right there. Use this tool right here. So pretty much what you do. Not cooperating. So you get that, and then if you have an air hammer, you put it right there. So let me grab the air hammer. Strap on me. So yeah, you grab the air hammer. Put the attachment on and there you go. After that, you just spin this shit off. If your clutch is good, that shit should be better. If your clutch is good, that shit the nut should come off when you just spin the fan. But should be fine. Yeah. And then after that, we just gotta see how the hell we're gonna slide it out. I think it all comes out as one piece with this shit. I hope I don't have to unplug this hose because I ain't trying to bleed no coolant. Let me try to get this off and I'll show y'all. But, so another thing I kind of, pretty much my thing, is active built. And I got some decals, you know, I pretty much whoever's car I work on, if they're willing to, you know, we'll slap a decal on, or if they just want to support. So this one, it's gonna go on Cruiser's truck. Either we're gonna put it on up there on top of the banner, or we're gonna throw it on back here. One of the others. So yeah, let me continue getting this one off, and I'll try to show y'all how to put the other one on. It's pretty much the reverse process. Danny's gonna pull up with the Cobra. I'm gonna show you guys the Cobra, but you guys have probably seen it before. I'm not sure. It just got detailed. But it's a black car, so I bet you that shit's dirty already. So once he pulls up, I'll go over that car with you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it on this video. So let me continue on this and I'll show you guys. Alright, it's all out now. Got this piece out. I ended up having to take off the hose because there's no way I was clearing this shit. It's all good though. Lost a little bit of coolant, but we'll bleed it. Alright, so put them next to each other. They're exactly the same. The only thing is the clutch on this one has its harness. That one doesn't. So we're gonna swap the clutches over because the clutch is good. So we're gonna swap the clutches over and throw it back in. Alright, so we got the fan clutch back on, the shroud on, just gotta bolt it up. Le Peeps OBS, excuse me. Peeps OBS pull up. It's not Pepe T2 active no more. He threw a little fit. He pulled up looking clean though. Check it out, check it out. I know y'all seen it, but still, I want to show y'all again. Jeez. Shit shines bright. Alright, it's all done. We got it all put together. Lined this latch still wasn't sitting on right, and the hood wasn't closing. So let's see how good it closes now. Yes, sir. Como si nada. I'm okay. What? Yeah, he got long tubes in there, I think. And we threw the sticker on this one while I'm showing you guys, ended up throwing it in the back. Show the clean back there. So I know he was supposed to bring the Fobra, pero me quedó mal. No quiso traerla, o traerlo, whatever you want to call it. Steady brought cruise. Alright, we're done with this one. Let me try to do a little cinematic. Alright, so we're done with the car, like I said. And yeah, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the Cobra. I'll show you guys another video, and he's gonna come pick it up. I don't know what truck he's coming in. I know he wanted to show me something on one of the trucks. It's actually, I think it's an extended cab or crew cab, clean. So if he brings it, I'll show you guys that one. If not, till next time.